Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download SingX application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Next, launch Open App Store from your app drawer. Go to the search box at the top and type in SingX and search. Once you get to the page, simply tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application on your device. The SingX application is a mobile application that allows you to send and receive money internationally with competitive exchange rates and low transaction fees. The application is available for iOS and Android devices. The app offers international money transfers, low transaction fees, fast and secure transaction, and features like global mobile top-ups, bill payments, and a member-get-member referral program. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open and you have now downloaded this SingX application on your device. You can now begin signing up for a new account or log into an existing one. So that is how you can download the correct SingX application on your iOS device in a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.